Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 25th September 2025, Nifty index opened positive but continued its weakness and dropped to 25,000 zones. Despite the selling pressure, it attempted to recover during midday, but indecision between bulls and bears and a lack of clear directional momentum sunk it lower. It failed to hold above 25,150 and closed with losses of around 110 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs, lower lows from the last 4 sessions. India VIX was down by around 1% to 10.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.87. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,458 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,244 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 14.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above the make or break zone of 25k levels for an up move towards 25,350 marks. Else, a hold below the same could see weakness towards 24,900 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,000 for a bounce towards 55,555 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 54,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Kaynes Technology, Indian Bank, Power Grid, SBI, NTPC, Tata Consumer, Can Bank and JSW Steel. While some weakness could be seen in Godrej Properties, DLF, Inox Wind, Oberoi Realty, Tata Motors, Coforge and Lodha. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.